yesterday night. Just because Chidoma was there. And you also refused to eat since yesterday. Do you know that your character is becoming irrational? Do you know?
I'm sorry, Mom, but it will continue to be like that until you and Dad understand that I'm old enough to take my own decision.
Son, taking your own decision has nothing to do with the type of girl that you want to get married to. Of course you know that we know what is good for you. Yes.
How do you know she's good enough for me?
Really? You are asking me your mother?
Oh, yes.
You are asking me your mother after how many years experience in marriage? You are asking me?
Mom, listen. I am the one wearing the shoe. And I know exactly the spot the shoe is paining me. I do not love that girl and I don't see myself settling down with her. Is it hard for you to understand?
Really? So all this logic, I know. Just because of those girls that your sister Princess Adugo brought to you, isn't it?
Don't include my sister. My sister has nothing to do with this.
Then what are you talking about?
That is what I want. Please understand that. That is what I want.
Son, that girl is a wife material. Did you just hear me?
So now, what do we do about what the queen just informed us?
The prince carefully enumerated all the faults, all the mistakes that Chidima made. Enough here.
So you believe them without hearing from your daughter? Eh? I think those things are being fabricated though. They just cook up story and just tell us anything. Hi.
You are talking as if you don't know your daughter anymore. Eh? When I was hammering on her nonchalant attitude, you kept on encouraging her excesses. Now, have you seen where it has landed her?
So, this is what all you have to say. Eh? What is landed?
Oh, okay. Eh? What do you want me to say? Eh? Will I force the prince to marry her against his own will? And
so my daughter has become a scapegoat, where? Eh?
Well, she is the architect of her own problem. But nothing spoiled if she decides to change from today. Or carry a man. Oh, yes.
Son, we summoned you here for a very important discussion. Your unhappy mood these days is worrisome. Very worrisome. You are always unhappy. And it is affecting the entire household. Even guards and maidens who used to see you as a friendly young man from abroad are now scared of you. Are you not worried about the wrong impression that you're creating about yourself? Are you not?
I'm only worried I came back here in the first place. I would have been back in the States instead of coming here to face all of these.
How can you say a thing like that? That you are worried coming back to your father's land? The heir apparent to my throne? Come on, son. What is going on? Eh? When I am dead and gone and buried, what happens to the throne? Answer me.
Son, what has come over you?
You and Dad. You and Dad has come over me. My peace of mind is at stake. You guys are making my staying in this house unbearable and miserable for me. Why can't I have peace of mind? Every time it's dimma, dimma, dimma. Get married to dimma. Get married to dimma. It's tiring.
It is for your own good. It is for your own good. There is a relationship involved in this thing that you do not know. This is Onowo's daughter. We've come a long way. Come on, son. It hasn't come to that. How could we be talking about going back abroad when you are already here? You are of age. You need to get married to prepare yourself to take over from me. Now, it's okay. It's okay. What exactly do you want? What will make you happy? What do you want us to do so that peace will reign in this compound? Exactly. Tell us.
Talk to us.
Confide in us.
Do you really want to know?
We are listening.
Yes. Tell us.
Okay. I want both of you to allow me to go for the woman I want. I want to go in search of the woman I want. Just give me time. That's what I want.
So you are actually rejecting our choice. Is that what you're saying?
There
You
you
want
go
to go
again.
something by yourself?
There you go again. You just asked me what I want and I told you.
I'm just saying that you have finally rejected, eh?
Okay.
It's all right. It's all right. If this is what you want for peace to reign, there's no problem. You can go ahead and look for your own wife.
And please let him go ahead and get married to whoever he wants to.
Yes,
But
I just said
let
so.
that someone be the person we know.
Exactly. So that he doesn't go out there and pick the daughter of one riffraff or a nobody.
Exactly.
Who has no background, no family, no father.
Well, we just had a deal now that I can go for whoever I want.
Yes, but I will check it there.
And then somebody will know. Okay?
Thank you, Dad. Thank you, Mom.
You're welcome.
You're welcome.
Be happy, okay?
Please have a piece of it.
Huh?
What do you think?
It's okay. It's okay. The thing has gone out of hand already.
At least
Everywhere is charged.
for him to have peace, and
Yes.
we too to have a peace of mind.
It's okay. I'm okay with it. And we have tried.
No problem.
We have tried. We
Yes.
can't impose it on him anymore.
Guy, I don't understand the way things are going in this palace.
How?
One needs to be careful in this palace. Everything that is going on in this palace, one needs to be very, very careful so that nobody will not come and use us as a scapegoat whenever they are angry in this palace. Don't you understand?
You are right. You see, sometimes it's either the prince or the queen. Guy, I'm tired.
The princess walked in angrily. I greeted her and she didn't answer me.
Really?
Yes, now. In this palace, it is only the Igwe that is stable emotionally.
I don't know. We all need to be careful and see how things unfold.
You're right. You'll just have to go back to my duty post.
Greetings, Ego. How are you? Now sit. You can go.
Thank you, Majesty.
I sent for you. I have an important something to discuss with you.
Your Highness, I'm at your service, ma'am.
You're welcome.
Thank you, Your Highness.
I am specially admiration for your two daughters. And from the information I got, I am so impressed about their conduct and character. So I said, let me talk to you so you can bring your two daughters, so that my son, Jamike, can see two of them, may choose from any of them as a wife.
Your Highness, Thank you for finding my household worthy of this, Your Highness.
You are welcome. You are welcome.
Your Highness, I have only one daughter. Her name is Oluchi.
One daughter?
Yes, Your Highness.
But from a reliable source, I heard that your husband had 2 daughters as children.
Your Highness, the person the villagers mistake as my daughter is a maid. Is a maid. She's not my daughter, she's my maid.
Okay.
I have only one daughter.
No
Her
problem.
name is Oluchi.
In that case, I would like to see that's your only daughter.
Thank you, Your Highness. She's very beautiful. Your Highness, she's well-mannered. She comports herself well.
No problem.
The prince will like her when he sees her.
No problem.
Your Highness, when do I bring her to the palace?
As soon as possible. Yes.
In that case, let me go and get her.
What did she did to you? When they were running, kiss your twin and wait for Nadia. Pick up Maria.
Omewo ya teenagera. 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 Mwam. Omewo ya teenagera. Omewo ya tinye. Mama, hey! Omewo ya tinye jara. Omewo ya tinye jara.
Hey! Nah. Mama. Our level. In my level. Do you know level? Do you know what level is?
Mama, I know what level is.
Our level don't go up. Our level, we have level up.
Hey, Mama, I know we have leveled up. I know we are always on top.
Yes!
But I need to understand what is happening. What's the excitement all about?
I am just coming from the palace. Did you not see the word? The queen of this land demands your presence in the palace.
I see.
Asegene,
Mama, wait. Mama, seems I have ear problem.
You don't have any ear problem. It's just good news.
Mama, say it again.
Good news. I say
it's again.
The queen of this land demands your presence in the palace.
Wait, Mama. What you're saying in essence is that the queen wants me to marry her son.
The queen of this land wants his son Jamike to marry you. Hey! I get it! She asked me to come with your sister, Ebube. But I told her that she's not my daughter, that she's my maid.
Yeah.
Mama, I cannot go to the palace with that girl. She's not meant for the palace.
Mama, you upgraded her. Lenke will maid. Maid is too high now.
Abi?
Carry no osu.
Mana osu ko obu now.
Outcast.
Oh, osu ko obu.
Which
one is maid? Is an osu?
It's a good thing you did not tell. You did not agree to go with her. But are you going to tell Papa about it?
Your Papa? No, I cannot tell your dad. You know how your dad is. When you tell your dad now, he will go and discuss with her. And the next thing, the girl will, I don't want her. She's not for the palace. Mama. Ukwa.
Pastor's food.
Pastor, ndiala. I can't get pastor. Uku prince food. Mama,
it's okay.
On the culture,
I have upgraded.
Who is pastor?
Can I speak English?
So by English, she speak English.
Hello.
Hi.
Mommy.
Yeah, my daughter.
Are you going to the palace?
Of course.
Let's go.
Yeah. But you know we cannot go to the palace just like that.
What else do we need to do now?
As we are now, you okay? But I need to start from the beginning, as in from head to toe, to repackage you again. So that when the prince set his eyes on you, he will have no choice but to marriage.
You're on point. Iwu new mama's generation.
No.
Generation mama.
Mama.
Let's go inside.
Let's go.
The queen and the queen mother.
Yes, so.
Follow me, mother. Are you coming with me?
Yes, of course. Come
on, let me finish.
Let's go inside. Hey. Are
you behind
Oh, yeah.
Are you there?
Are you? Let's go. Oh, the car.
I want to thank you specially. Thank you for bringing your daughter to my son, Prince Jamike.
Thank you, Your Highness.
God bless you.
I trust my daughter, and I know her very well. She will make a good wife to Prince Jamike. So,
if everything works well, I am going to reward you specially.
Your Highness, everything has already worked out well because I'm sure of my daughter.
You say?
I trained her well.
You say?
She can cook. Everything.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
My regards to your family.
Thank you, Your Highness.
Thank you.
Let me go back.
No problem.
What did she did to you? When they were in kiss your twin, away from Nigeria, pick up
Ifeoma.
What did she did to you? When they were in kiss your twin, away from Nigeria, pick up
Papa, hope you enjoy the food.
Very tasty. Very tasty.
Okay.
If you keep this and come back, I want to talk to you.
Okay.
Come, let's talk. Later you take them inside.
Papa.
Informer.
Papa.
I overheard you and your friends discussing yesterday. But let me sound this as a note of warning to you. Never you ever force yourself on the prince. You heard how he chased Chidimma, Onowu's daughter, back to their house.
Papa, you self, how do you know all these things? How do you get the whole information?
Ifeoma, ndị bae si na ihe okenye dọna naanị na-ekiri nwata rie elu ọjị ọ gaghị afụ ya. Ihe ọbụla na-eme n'obodo a ebe a m nọ ama m ka o si aga. Elu ihe na-agwa gị?
Why are you saying all this?
Yes, that's a good question. What I'm trying to tell you is this. Ifeoma, don't you ever throw yourself at the prince. If the prince likes you and wants to marry you, let him come to this house and propose to you. Do you hear me?
Yes, Papa.
They say that a word is enough for the wise. Do you understand me?
Yes, Papa.
You can go and do what you are doing.
Thank you, Papa.
My queen, I've been trying to have a good rapport with your son, but he's not giving me the necessary attention I need.
My son, Prince Jamike, could be very stubborn. But don't be discouraged. find a way to get his attention, that could be an added advantage. Do you understand? It could be an added advantage for you to know what makes him happy. Do you understand?
Yes, my queen. But there's a question I want to ask.
Please go on. Go ahead and ask me.
I don't want you to feel offended.
No. Go ahead and ask me.
Okay. Is your son an unhappy man?
Yes. He is. You have a lot of work to do to ensure that he is yours. So, if you can ensure that you will understand this, you will make him to come and marry you soon. Do you get that?
Yes, my queen. I'll do my best.
That's good. I've done my part. The ball is in your court.
Like I said, my queen, I will do my best. Everything possible. I will do it to make him happy.
Good luck, my dear.
Thank you, my queen.
Yeah.
Hey. Thank you, my queen. Thank you.
Ebube, how long is it going to take you to finish this sleep?
Hey, good morning. I'm almost done.
Hurry up so that you can go and finish weeding the farm.
Nne, I don't think I'll be able to make it to the farm today. With the way my body is doing me like this. Nne, let me just sweep first. Or tomorrow I'll go and weed the farm.
With the way my body... Are you pregnant? Ebube,
Mba.
are you sure you're not pregnant?
Mba, God forbid.
Are you sure you're not pregnant?
Nne, I'm not, God forbid. I'm not pregnant, so I'm just having body pains. Nne, I'm so tired. Tomorrow, let me just manage to sweep this one first.
You will not tell me what to do in this house. You are not the one to tell me what to do. Eh? Hurry up so that you can go and finish that farmland today. You will finish weeding it today. Did you hear what I said?
Nne, you're not understanding me. Sometimes I'm just talking to you like from, you know, when I'm having a conversation with you, like a daughter can talk to her mother. Mom, you should understand me now. Let me just manage to sweep this one first. Oh, tomorrow.
What to tell me? Are you the one to tell me what to do in this house? Hey. Are you normal?
Hey! Don't ever hit her again. Hey!
You have grown. You have grown, eh?
Ego!
So you've grown. You've grown.
Stop that rubbish.
You, this guy, you've grown.
Don't raise your filthy hand again and hit her. She's not feeling fine. What wrong has she done this morning? I am asking you.
You see this girl? This girl has become too stubborn. This girl that you're looking at, she has become too stubborn. Anyway, I see, you know me now. You know me. Don't finish that farm today. You see what I'll do to you. Nonsense.
Now listen to me. If you want your farmland to finish, why did you not send your daughter or Luchi to go with her and help her before sending her to the palace? Now listen to me, Ebube. On no account must you go to the farm. Is that clear? Don't go there today. Now drop that broom. Drop the broom there. Drop it.
Papa, let me just manage to sweep.
I say, keep the broom. Now, inside. Go inside. Leave the broom there.
Hey, Papa, thank you.
Let's go.
Papa, thank you.
Nonsense. Where is your daughter?
My princess, you know you've been very nice to me since I came into this palace.
Yes?
Can I confide in you?
Of course, yes, you can.
It's about your brother.
My brother? What about my brother?
I don't think your brother likes me. He doesn't give me the kind of attention I need. I mean, I can't even get close to him. I think he hates me.
No, please, Oli, don't say that. My brother is a kind man and hates no one.
Then why is he not, accepting me? Like, I don't know how to explain it, but he just keeps staying away from me.
Just relax, okay? My brother has been skeptical about everybody that my mom has introduced to him.
And why?
My mom influenced and brought Onobu's daughter, Dimma, to him. But Dimma's attitude didn't go well with him. That's why.
Okay, so what do I do now?
See what's going to happen. Just relax and be patient with him. Since you've known where all this are coming from, just be patient, okay? Please.
I'm patient too. In fact, my name is Patience, my middle name. I'm very patient. That's why I've been here. I'm trying, but I love your brother. Oh, I love him very much. He's my life, my hope, my future, my destiny.
Really? So you love him that much?
I love him. I can die for him.
Please, you don't have to die. I still need you. You know I love you so much. And I want you to be my brother's wife.
Thank you.
Just cheer up. Hey, this is the only I know. Cheer up.
I'm settled.
Yes, you have to.
But are you sure your brother will love me?
Yes, of course. I'm here too. I'll help you.
Hey!
I'll help you. Okay?
Princess!
Princess!
My princess.
Where is this? Where is that stupid woman? Where is that green snake under the green grass? Hey! Adako!
What is it?
Hey!
What is it and why are you calling me name Adako? Are you normal?
I thought you are my friend. Hey! So you are behind my downfall. Hey!
Adako.
Hey!
Adako, what are you talking about? And why are you calling me names in my house? Are you normal?
Ego. So you are aware that your daughter sneaked to the palace to see the prince? And you encourage her with your witchcraft? Ego. Hey! Egibom.
What are you talking about,
You are pretending now. Oh, you not pretend, they pretend. You are talking
what
about
are you talking about, Adako? What are you talking about?
You don't know that you are not aware that you gave your daughter witchcraft, that she used on the prince, that made the prince to throw away my daughter Chidima out of the palace. Let me tell you, I know you very well, Ego. You use your spell to hold Prince Jamike, so that you will have your daughter instead of mine. Ego, let me tell you, all the entire kingdom will hear that you are a witch.
Hey! Wait. Bemkino, you are in my house. Don't talk too much. You see, if there is anybody that is a witch in this village, it's you, Adak. And if the whole world knows, not just this village.
This witch is my house.
Listen. I'm talking to you. Listen, this is my house. Adak, I will advise you to use the same witchcraft, since you know what is witch. Use witchcraft spell, to charm the prince back to your daughter. That is what I will advise you to do.
Ego, is it what you are saying? Is it what you are saying? Let me tell you, you and your daughter will not go offering.
Start going.
I'm not done with you, Ego.
Adako, start going. Ego, I will beat you up. Ego, I will beat you up. I will beat you up. Start going.
Ego, it's me and Timmy. Hey, Ego, be better. Ego, I'm taking a plasma with a key.
Which plasma?
I will put CCTV.
Oh no, my family
Don't make it fair.
My prince. My prince. Please. Why are you doing this to me now? What wrong have I done to you? My prince, I love you. I love you, and every word I say to you is from the deepest part of my heart. You would not even listen to me. Listen, I know why you are talking like this. I don't mean to get you offended, but I spoke to your sister, and she told me why you're acting this way. She told me about your mom imposing girls on you, girls who turn out to be bad girls or what you wouldn't want. See, I'm different. I'm very, very different. You like me. I've tried so much to do everything, but I still don't understand why you hate me this much. Why?
Oh, no. You don't have to use the word hate. I don't hate people. I just don't like the idea of my mom imposing different girls on me. It makes me feel like I'm not man enough. So, we're friends, of course, but just take it easy.
But I like Inge, friends. I like Romeo, and they're not imposing me on you. Your mother carried me and brought me to you. It's not me. I'm not being imposed on you.
Imposed.
Okay, imposing with difference. I'm not like those girls. Oh, Pico, just try me out. You like me. I'm a very good person. Oh, and I know you're a very good man. I can see it in your face and your heart.
You got scan in your eyes.
Okay. If you know you want us to be tight friends, hug me now. Just one thing, small hug.
I want her to come back.
Pico. Oh, hug.
Some here. You are a rare breed.
Oh my God! Really? You mean you just said that to me?
Of course.
Why did you say that?
It's about the way you came up with a headline. I mean, the happenings in the village is quite inspiring to me. I like that.
Is that all? I thought you had something. Anyway, whatever you say is fine. So far it's coming from you. I'm okay, I'll pass. So tell me, what do you want for breakfast? Just anything. I'll go into the kitchen and make you something really, really nice and special. You know what? Don't say anything. I will make you something really nice. Okay? So I'll just go into the kitchen and then call you when breakfast is ready. Okay?
Such a vibe.
Of course. I am the vibe queen.
That's what it is. Come here.
Oh my God. I'll just... Just relax. And I'll be back. Oh my God, he kissed me. I'll be back in a minute.
Eze Mkume. Eze Akokalia. We are fine, yes. Yeah, Lola is here.
Send me hi to him.
Of course, you can hear her. She's saying hello, Your Majesty. Oh yes, hi, Lola. Thank you, thank God. We are fine. Okay, so we meet next month at the governor's office. All right. What is it? Isike, eh? Okay, ma. Akwili, Dal.
Hope they are good.
Yes, they are very fine. He says his greetings. Wonderful. I'm happy. He's a good man. He's a good man. Yeah. We were friends before we became Igwe. Yes. Okay. So we have maintained that relationship. As a matter of fact, my plan was for my son, Jamike, to marry his daughter. But unfortunately, his daughter is still very tender. He did not marry early, unlike me. Otiro Okorobia, either Otiro Odajiro Okorobia. But the more I do the Okorobia, they are talking now. La. I'm happy for you. I'm really happy for you. I can see that your plan is working.
Your Majesty, what are you really talking about?
You don't know what I'm talking about.
I don't know.
Oluchi. Oluchi.
Yes,
oh, she is really bonding well with our son, Jamike. And I can see that our son is happy in her company. That says a lot.
Your Majesty, the young lady is doing a great job on her son.
I can see.
I can see both of them love each other. Yes. Yes.
That's very important. Very, very important that they are in love with each other.
Yes.
She's doing a great job, as I can see.
Honestly.
She is.
The young lady is doing a great job on her son. And she needs to be appreciated, you know.
Appreciated?
Yes.
Which other appreciation would be better than both of them ending up as husband and wife? That should be our target.
Anyway.
Yeah, that should be our target.
I am seeing this relationship ending in praise.
Amen. We'll give thanks to our God.
Yes.
That'd be wonderful.
Honestly.
Seriously, I never believed that she would be able to win Jamike over. You know how difficult our son is.
That's the reason why you don't have to look down on anyone.
You can say that again.
I'm so happy, honestly.
Oh yeah. I wish it would work out the way we pray.
My friends, breakfast is served. If you don't mind, can we just move to the dining?
Babe.
Yes.
You've been in some kind of mood since this morning.
You mean?
Is there any reason for that?
Being happy?
Extremely happy.
Oh my God, my prince, you wouldn't understand it. My prince, you don't get it. You don't understand this. This is like a dream come true. I can't contain my happiness.
Well, your dream is about to be a reality now.
What's in it? Did you just say that? My dreams will become a reality?
Yeah.
Thank you so much, my prince. Thank you. So can we head to the dining table?
You're such a vibe, seriously.
I am the vibe queen.
Alright, this way.
Oh, no. After you.
Ladies first.
I don't mind. Go for it.
Let's go.
Ebubi, what is it you want to discuss with me?
Papa, you are aware of Ebuka's intention towards Oluchi.
Yes.
I'm just wondering why your attitude towards him and his uncle changed earlier. Is there anything wrong?
Oluchi is getting married to the prince. And I think the prince will make a better son-in-law than Ebuka.
Hey, Papa, this is unlike you. Honestly, it's unlike you to talk like this. Papa, I am aware of how helpful Ebuka has been to this family since his proposal to Oluchi. Papa, I'm also sure that you know he has been supportive. So, I agree that the prince will make a better son-in-law. But don't you think you would have devised a way of, putting it to them so that nobody gets, so that they don't get really angry?
My daughter, what do you think I would have done when Ego has already gone to the royal family and told them that Oluchi is meant for their son? Don't worry. I will find time to see Ibuka and the uncle. I will talk with them.
Papa, I think you should do that too. Because me, I don't want anybody to see you as a bad person or a wicked person. Because I know that you're not. Just let's find a way of explaining this to them so that nobody feels too bad.
I will.
That's just...
I will, my daughter. Thank you so much.
Yeah. Who sends this kind of message these days? Oh, hi.
Oluchi, what do we call this?
Where?
I believe by now you should know my likes and dislikes.
No. I know your
Do I
likes.
have to talk all the time for you to do the right thing?
Yeah. What is happening? What is wrong? Talk to me now. What's the problem?
Why would you leave your dirty undies on the bed?
Uluako. Away for that girl. That girl is a very stupid girl. Do you know I asked this girl, what say so? Or go 2 hours. I asked this girl to wash those undies. So happy ever. Yeah, what happened on this the room? You saw them?
Wait. Take a chill pill and try not to be up in the heel.
I'm a member.
So without Olako, you're not going to wash your undies?
My prince, you're beginning to sound funny.
No, I need to understand something. Without Olako, you will not wash your undies.
No, I can't let you. You are a prince. So if I am going to be your wife, thereby I am a princess. Which means the domestic chores in this house should be handled by the maids and people employed to do the job. If I use my hand and wash on this, what would they be doing? They'll just be lazing about. Eh?
See?
I'm glad you see.
I don't like lazy people around me. I don't like someone leaving for the maidens or servants to do them. Domestic chores and not pant chores. They're 2 different things. Not on these chores. Go to that room now, it's smelling like ginger and garlic.
Ginger and garlic?
Some of the pants are long and tiny. Some are fat and scary. Some are flowered pants though, but it still looks scary like shrine. You got some red panties there. Please go and attend to those panties. It's an eyesore.
Ginger and garlic. Yeah, they see pineapple. Like it with ginger and garlic. Ha! Nam, those panties you saw, aqua sex appeal. I brought them for you. For that one.
Nai, God has remembered this family. Oh. Nai, I'm so happy. Oluchi said that we should be preparing, serious preparation to host the royal family in a marriage feast. Nai, hi!
Wait.
I'm so happy today.
Ego, what you are just telling me now is that everything is going on well.
Ha! Nai, not just going on well. She even said that the prince went to his parents and told them that he's ready, very, very ready to marry our daughter Oluchi. Oluchi Nwanje Jemba. O adobodo yibo. Ah!
I thank the God.
Odika cholo nwa balance. Nanya, I'm happy.
I thank the gods.
Yes, so
for remembering my family.
Yes, so Nanya. All these enemy in this village, they will hear my story.
Greetings.
You are welcome.
Yes, ma'am. You said Batu?
No, I sent her on errand.
I hope all is well.
No, all is well. No problem. I just came to express my feelings towards her. But since she's not around, let me go and I will come back later.
Come. Feeling what? What kind of feeling?
Sorry, I have not told you this earlier, but the simple truth is that I'm in love with her daughter and I would like to marry her.
So what do you do for a living?
I'm a businessman and I'm the owner of that supermarket at Umungenobo Junction. That big supermarket at that Umungenobo roundabout, Umungenobo Junction. I'm the owner.
What do you say is your name again?
My name is Okay.
Okay. So, okay, you are the only one that have not heard how Ebube goes about bewitching people, moving from place to place, using her witchcraft power, especially young men like you. You've not heard?
A witch? No. Ebube that I know is not a witch. Ebube can never be a witch. Yeah? I know that Ebube is a nice girl. And Ebube, yeah, she's a hard-working girl, yes. I know, I know. Ebube is not a witch. And I love her.
Okay. I have seen that she has gotten you with her witchcraft power. She has gotten you with her witchcraft power because you are not talking with your senses anymore. Anyway, Ebube is not ripe for marriage. Oh, Ebube is still a small girl. She's still learning how to cook, how to sweep. She's still a small girl. She cannot marry now.
Ego. Ego, how many times have I warned you not to use that language on my daughter? How many times?
9.
Why must you call her a witch before a stranger? What is your problem?
9. Haponya. I know their type. 9. Forget that guy. I know her. I know his type. Egia Dropio. Apia. Ma'am.
Ego, you are getting on my nerves. Ego, you are getting on my nerves. I don't like it at all.
Nah, calm down. We should be happy for our daughter that the royal family, they want to enter this family.
And so you will not spoil my daughter's name? You will not drag her name to the mud?
Only one. Mama, you have heard all that I instructed you to do. Do not deviate from the left or the right. Just do exactly what I asked you to do.
My way also was me.
And I know.
All right, Mama, I've heard.
So, I will be going.
Okay.
Thanks for everything.
Yeah.
All the money, all the things that you've been sending.
Mama,
I appreciate it.
Why will you be thanking me? I'm the one who should be indebted to you for everything that you've been doing for me. Thank you, Mama.
All the catch along, Mama.
By the way, extend my greeting to only Papa.
Of course not. Nobody is there. It's only Papa that is there now. All I'm promising you is that your wedding is going to be the talk of the town in this kingdom. Mama. Not just this village, but this kingdom.
Mama,
Just trust me, your mother.
Mama, my head.
Trust me. You know what I can do now. You know your mother.
What you can do.
Let me hurry on to give your father the good news.
You need to break it.
He will be very happy.
That's what they call it. News flash.
News flash. Okay, news flash.
News flash. Mama, thank you very much. I'm very grateful.
Okay.
Yes.
Are you even in this village at all?
Yes, no. Where have you been?
My dear. Around though, me, I'm money and work every time. You know me now.
That reminds me. Have you heard?
Amebo, what have you heard this time around?
Wait, you mean you're in this village? You've not heard the rumor going around?
What is the rumor? Tell me now, I've not heard.
Prince Jamike is about to get married to Oluchi.
Prince Jamike is about to get married to Oluchi. Are you serious? Wait, do you know I was even thinking their small witchy bush love in this village. I was even thinking it's a fluke. I never knew they were real.
It's more of a joke from what I've seen and heard.
We're there without battery. Ngwa, what have you seen and heard?
The rumor of their traditional marriage is featuring into this kingdom.
Well, I wish them well, my dear, but I hope they will last.
Anyway, let's keep our fingers crossed and see how things unfold.
Okay, my dear, no problem. I was on my way to my usual morning meeting.
Okay, I'll take care of yourself. Okay, bye-bye.
Reduce this your ambivalent life, for it's not good for your life.
Where? I thought both of you have been bragging that you will soon become the in-laws to the palace. You are the future royal in-law, the future this, the future that. So, what's it happen? It will happen. What happened? It will happen. Yeah. I'm asking you, what happened? It will happen. Why are you here? Wait. Did they throw you out? Yes, I was thrown out, I know. The truth was out. No! What is it? No!